Unbelievable! I feel great!
Hello, Hyperbolic gang, everybody tuning in. I got a request from loads of people actually asking me on how to invest, how to buy, where to buy, what to buy in the crypto space, how to get Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of that. I want to answer in this video so that everybody can benefit from the knowledge I acquired in the past years, and on what to look specifically and where to be very careful with. And I want to present my recommendations and the platforms I use. And I want to also at the end of the video show my personal portfolio and what my strategies are and safe ways to earn passive income, while we explain the various different gateways to your first Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever cryptocurrency you like to invest in. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, but I just want to share my knowledge, and I hope it benefits some guys out there, because this video has been highly requested. So that's why we're starting this off. So one of my top picks definitely is BlockFi. You don't have any minimum deposits, no hidden fees, and it's a great way to earn passive income on your Bitcoin, on your Ethereum holdings. So if you have Bitcoin and Ethereum in your portfolio, you can download the app or just go onto blockfi.com with your web browser, and you can lock up your Bitcoin and actually earn 6% APY per annum. So that means per year you get 6% on your Bitcoin, or 5.25 APY on your Ethereum. It's a great way to earn passive income. You can actually choose how you want the interest to be paid out. It's gonna be monthly, paid into your account, and you can choose if you want it paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you desire. You can customize your monthly earnings. It's backed by Gemini and loads of big institutions. So BlockFi is definitely a good way to go and get your passive income and have a long-term hold for your cryptocurrency, and just secure your future in a positive way. And currently they're running a really cool special for the month of October. So if you click above on blockfi.com, if you use Brave browser, I think it will be on the top here in the yellow, as you can see on the screen for the guys that are just listening to it. And there is a limited offer till the end of October. If you deposit, you have the certain different amounts you can deposit. You get a nice payout in BTC as a little gift and bonus. The structure you can read on the website, so go check that out. And if you tuning into that video later on after October, if you use my link below in the description, you and me, we get a $10 to $20 bonus on top of everything we invest in BlockFi. That being said, they have great rates, no minimum deposits. So 6% on Bitcoin, 5.25% on Ether. That is my go-to-go when I earn passive income on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then you guys have seen, I've promoted it, and there's another video where I actually show how I use the card from crypto.com. There's another platform. So crypto.com offers you a crypto Visa debit card. You can spend your crypto earnings or on your investments, and you have a bigger variety and the choice of different cryptocurrencies. The same, they have staking. You can earn passive income, but there are minimum amounts, and the rates may vary. And the recent updates, in my opinion, don't make it worth investing Bitcoin or Ethereum on crypto.com, but other assets you might have a look into it. You can other digital assets have a pretty decent APY, and if you stake the local crypto asset, the local crypto coin, so the Crow coin on the platform, you get now up to 10% per year. The great part about crypto.com is that you get it paid out weekly onto your account, so you can spend it, use it, reinvest it. It's a great additional tool to have. So I find BlockFi and crypto.com go hand in hand, and you can build a nice strategy with that. So alternatives in terms of digital assets, I would buy on crypto.com and reinvest them, stake them, especially the card. So the card is free. You can get there's another video on this channel where I show how the card looks. I unbox it, unpack it, but you basically can get the free card. That's 1% cashback if you swipe and use your crypto through the card, and which is a nice, great little gadget to also get or actually also acquire more cryptocurrency long term. So that's the second platform I recommend. And if you actually stake Crow, you get 10% back, as I said, in the earn option. You can check it out here. And yes, and it opens up other functions and better stake and interest earn options for other digital assets. But just staking Crow 10,000 or more is a pretty decent thing. Then you're also eligible for the higher tier cards, which are pretty decent, even though they adjusted the new earning rates, the monthly, the yearly yield you actually get. They're still decent, I think. If you stake the 10,000 Crow and get the 3% cashback, and then get the 10% interest on your 10,000 Crow paid out weekly, it's still a decent deal. So in terms of the card, definitely a platform I can recommend after BlockFi, and to get an easy foot into the door. They support many countries, languages across the globe, across the world. I tested the card. It works very well and is very user friendly. The whole app is just awesome and magnificent. And yeah, if you trade and do other stuff, you can even visit the exchange, but that's for another day. And yeah, I want to move forward to actually now revealing my portfolio and what I recommend everybody to get into. We all have obviously other priorities in life, and a different budget to spare investing into cryptocurrency. But one of the things you should definitely look into is acquiring a good portfolio and a good position in Bitcoin. So I recommend you to buy Bitcoin. Don't go all in. The best strategy in general is always to buy a little bit at a time. So maybe you choose once a week or once a month to buy a little bit, just buy a chunk of it and add it onto your portfolio. So Bitcoin is one of my holds. I try to increase as much as possible. Yeah, it's the new kind of money. It's borderless. You can take how much, how you want, where you want it. You just need the passphrase in your head, and there's no institutions or governments that will hinder you from moving your wealth across the globe. It's not like gold where you actually have a limit or they can physically take it away from you. So Bitcoin is a great way of freedom and transporting your wealth into whatever country you want, wherever you want. So it's really the digital gold, and I recommend everybody to get a good position in that. Then the second one is the ecosystem. So that is Ethereum. Ethereum is a parallel global ecosystem where you can actually spend your cryptocurrency and make contracts and deals. You can buy property, you can exchange value in a decentralized way without a third party. So it is the biggest new ecosystem around, and Ethereum actually is now already used with many institutions across the globe, and many companies invested in Ethereum. So the enterprise is just growing, and in my opinion, the second strongest hold, Ethereum, in your portfolio is also a strong thing. And as I said, if you put it onto BlockFi, you get 5.25% yearly interest on it, so you can increase your Ethereum hold just passively by holding it on BlockFi. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, definitely the top picks. Then also, of course, in the top 3, in my opinion, is Chainlink. Chainlink is the whole thing that rounds up the whole infrastructure of Ethereum and the decentralized finance and networks. Even now, there's great news from Chainlink that they partnered up, or basically Tesla partnered up with Chainlink for loads of projects are actually partnering up with Chainlink. So in my opinion, the top 3 holds that I recommend: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink. Then obviously you can also stake and lock up your Chainlink on crypto.com, which now lowered the interest rates, but if you stake 10,000 Crow, I think you still get 3%. And that's also a good way how to passively increase your Chainlink holdings. Other than that, it's a bit controversial, and loads of people in the crypto space don't like it. But if we go to XRP and Ripple, in my opinion, I use it if I want to spend cryptocurrency because it's fast, and if I want to do basically fee-less transactions and instant transactions through the crypto card, or just spend my cryptocurrency, then I do it through Ripple because it's super fast, currently pretty stable, and yeah, I also believe it could have a bright future ahead. It is very much tied up to the bank system, and I'm not a fan of the bank system, but here it's about gains, about what is being used. So if there's a boat you can use to get onto another place, why not make use of it while it's there and while it's possible? So one of my holds, a little bit, just a little bit for spending, just a couple of bucks. I would say Ripple is also a nice side investment you can have. It's not a must, but yeah, I wanted to mention it because I have it in my portfolio. But just to recap, Chainlink, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, the top 3. Then we move further. The line THETA TV is another great hold. I just recently added into my portfolio. It's an alternative to Twitch. It's a streaming platform, and soon expanding also to on-demand stuff. So YouTube invested. There's a big team. You have amazing people working on THETA. If you go on THETA TV, there's many cool streams already happening, so we can check that out now. THETA.tv. It's basically a very great hold for the future, in my opinion. And there's a lot of streams and gamers and all kinds of topics happening. You can check that out, and it is a great technology. So my opinion, also worth to add into your portfolio. Then we go to Kyber Network, also one of my holds. I really believe in the project because people use it, and it looks like it has a bright future ahead. But then we also want to move to Cardano. Yeah, it's an alternative to Ethereum. It's also a parallel ecosystem. It might have it might be a good bet also to put a little bit into it and see if you can increase your wealth with that. It's just one of my holds on the side. I know there's a lot of controversy about this project because Ethereum is, by the way, yeah, the leading force in the whole crypto space, but Cardano might be an alternative and a second good bet in this whole ecosphere. Like THETA TV, obviously the partner and sponsor of Hyperbolic 2020, we have the basic attention token, which is a great thing. So basically for using the browser and for basically participating in surfing the web and looking at advertisements that pop up, you get rewarded with the local and native cryptocurrency basic attention token through Brave. Also for Brave, link in the description. Great way to earn passive income and get a foot into the door of the blockchain and cryptocurrency space without actually spending money. You can increase your crypto portfolio, and then you can swap basic attention token to whatever digital asset you desire or cash it out in fiat, which I don't recommend because cryptocurrencies should be a long-term investment and a way to earn passive income. Obviously, there's another exit strategy if certain crypto assets you invested in and you doubled your money, let's say, or you doubled your investment. You can cash out some, but I would always recommend to hold some for long-term and future because we are still very, very early in the space and the transformation of the digital age has just begun. Then another little gadget, little altcoin is Zilliqa. Zilliqa, in my opinion, might be a good future choice and alternative to Ethereum or Cardano as a super fast ecosystem. It's native in Singapore. It's used pretty well. They have staking also. You can lock up Zilliqa. Currently they're running a very good APY, and I also do believe they have a big future ahead. So it's also a little hold of mine I wanted to share. So all in all, that is it for the video. To go back to Brave, so link into the description. Download Brave browser. I get a little $5 if you are satisfied with the browser and use it even after 30 days. If not, I don't get anything. So that being said, check it out. If you have any other questions or recommendations, don't hesitate to ask. I just wanted to share all of this because I've been requested to do so, and I tried to keep my promise because man gotta do and man gotta do action. That being said, we're keeping it lean, mean and clean, and we are crushing this decade in health and wealth. They go hand in hand together. Sharing is caring, knowledge is power. If you like what you see, hit the like, subscribe, share. Check out the other videos on this channel. There's a lot of stuff about obviously health, conditioning and wealth topics and the crypto space. And we see you on the next one. Peace out.